Hey, this is GoPro Lou showing you a quick video of one of those cheap eBay bike work stands, repair stands, bicycle stand, whatever you want to call them. There's all kinds of names for them. I call it bicycle bike repair stand. Feet are all the way out. You could pull them up a little and still good stabilization there. You can see it's clamped up really good. Cheap bike stand works for me. You can see my cable's going through there. Got that triangle point effect thing. Clamps on real good. Get back to the other side here. You can check it out. Got the repair stand thing. Tool rack. Here's the feet. Let me see if I can pull it up a little. Hold this at the same time. Pull it up something like that. That way it's less in your way. You can see I'm shaking it. It's set really good. Doesn't tip forward or unbalance. See the feet? Works for me, man. Once again, see the stand. Has this extra bar here for the handlebars not to turn on you. You can put it in different areas. This is how it looks up on the stand. My wife's 29er. You can see I put some tie straps right here for where you can see where it stretches out the plastic. Got a tie strap right here. Got another tie strap right here. So when I tighten it a little too tight, probably, it stretches out the plastic. Once again, you can see the feet. I'm shaking the bike. Something really good. I'm actually moving it off the feet like that. Or you could put it back down the way it was. Right here. There it is there. Fix that little feet there. Whoop! There it is. So once again, this is my wife's 29er bike on a bicycle bike repair stand from eBay. Get them from like 30 something to 40 something dollars. Might be too cheap for you. You might want to get a Park Tool or some other brands, real couple $100, 200 and up. So this bike stand works for me, so it might work for you. Once again, this is GoPro Lou signing out. Don't forget, I'm just your average guy, just like you. Subscribe and like.